right, so we are in the Village of Hammock at Fenney. We're looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner lot. Look at that nice private area. Sit out, enjoy the morning sun. Here this space is fully enclosed with screens, so you're not going to get any bugs in the evening, but you can sit out here and still enjoy. Off to the left is the entrance to the side patio. That's real nice too. Nice quiet spot. Real close to Gray Fox and Red Fox golf courses, as well as, of course, the Fenney Pool and Fenney Rec Center, which everybody really loves because of all the great oak trees and Spanish moss. Nice kitchen area, tons of cupboard space. Stainless steel appliances with a gas stove, microwave, fridge freezer combo, laundry facility. So go into the garage, car-and-a-half garage with a golf cart available. Of course, we're minutes from the Hummingbird Rec Center, which is great. That's where you can go swimming, play some bocce, corn toss. 2 bedrooms at the back, guest bathroom off to the left. Really nicely decorated. And nice space, queen bed for your guests. Master bedroom off to the right. And this has an ensuite with a walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. So if you're looking for a rental in the Village of Hammock at Fenney, close to Gray Fox and Red Fox golf courses, Hummingbird Rec Center, short cart ride over to Brownwood and then down to Sawgrass, really close to Magnolia Shopping Center too. So if you're looking for a short-term rental, this is the spot. Hope you enjoyed the tour.